Question 11. 8 people are in a race. How many ways can gold, silver and bronze medals be awarded if there are no dead heats? So you can't have 2 people in first place or 2 people in second place or anything like that. So there's 8 people in the race altogether. And when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So if there's 8 people in the race, then any of those 8 people can get the gold. Any of those 8 people can come in first place. So we're going to start off with 8. But one of those people would have come into first. So when we are trying to choose silver, who gets the silver, so who comes into second place, there's only 7 people left that could come into second place because one person already came into first place. One person already got the gold. And likewise, when we go to choose for bronze, the third place, well, we've already got a first place gold. We've already got a second place silver. So 8 take away 2 leaves us with 6 people who could get third place, who could get the bronze medal. So for gold, for first place, we have 8 possible outcomes. So 8 people can get first place gold. We multiply that because we're asked how many, so we multiply that by 7. There are then 7 people left who could get the silver, who could get second place. So 8 take away 1 is 7, so the 7 people left for second place silver. And then for bronze, there's only 6 people left to choose from because 8 take away 2 is 6. 2 people have already gotten first and second place, so gold and silver. So 8 take away 2 is 6, so 6 people left for third place bronze. So 8 times 7 times 6 gives us 336 ways that the gold, silver and bronze medals can be awarded. Question 12. An ID badge is made up of 4 capital letters. How many different ID badges are possible if no letter can be used more than once? So no letter can be repeated. An example is shown below. So this is just one type of an example of an ID badge, so B or SV. So there's 4 letters and none of them can be repeated, so no letter can be used more than once. So when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So there are 26 letters in the alphabet, so for the first letter we have a choice of 26. So we start off with 26. 26 letters to choose from for the first letter. The question said how many, so we're going to multiply. And we're going to multiply by 25. Because for the second letter, 26 take away 1 leaves us with 25 left to choose for the second letter. So for the first letter, we had a choice of 26 letters, but once we've used one of them, and it doesn't matter which one, in the example B was used, but it doesn't matter which one of them has been used, so there's only 25 left for the second letter. And in the same way, for the third letter, once the first and second letters have been used, and it doesn't matter what those letters are, for the third letter, we've only got 24 letters left. And for the fourth letter, we've only got 23 letters left. So we start off with 26 letters. 26 letters to choose from for the first letter. We multiply that by 25 because 26 take away 1 is 25. So we've 25 left to choose from for the second letter. We multiply that by 24 because 26 take away 2 leaves us with 24. There's 24 letters left to choose from for the third letter. And we multiply that 24 by 23. Because 26 take away 3 leaves us with 23 letters left to choose from for the fourth letter. So 26 times 25 times 24 times 23 gives us 358,800. So these are the number of different ways that we can create the ID badges. Now, if the question had not said no letter can be used more than once, so if it allowed for repetitions, so using B twice or using S 3 times or whatever, then we would have instead said 26 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26. But because it said no letter can be used more than once, we had to keep subtracting 1 from the previous number each time.